In this video, I want to do an SEO marketing crash course. Again, this is one of those topics that there's entire gigantic courses on this topic, so I'm not going to cover it in depth, but I hope to give you a good foundation for it. So there's three parts to every major SEO strategy. The first part is to identify the keywords that people are going to search and that you're going to be able to rank for and get the right kind of traffic for you. The second part of the process is to place those keywords on your website or your product listing, whatever you're doing SEO for. And the third part is to begin the process of ranking higher for those keywords. Now, that's the part that takes a while. You sometimes hear, oh, it might take like 6 months to do SEO, and sometimes it does, and it might sometimes longer. But if you pick the right keywords and place them on your listing the right way, it could take a lot shorter. Now, I want to also refine your thinking about SEO because a lot of people, especially first timers, when they start out, they think of SEO as, people search on Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Those are the major search engines, official search engines in the English-speaking web. But I'd actually like to reframe that because, yes, Google is the biggest, but the second biggest is YouTube. And for products, you have Amazon as a gigantic search engine. And whatever your platform is, whatever your business is, like if you're a product, obviously, or a book, obviously Amazon's the search for you. Or if you are selling courses, then Udemy is the search engine for you. So whatever your platform where you're promoting things, there may be a big website or like Etsy search if you're making products. So there may be search on some specific website that's gigantic that has a lot of your very targeted customers. So that's sort of the new way to look at search, and it's a much more practical approach to getting very high quality traffic. And also SEO can be a little bit frustrating because it does take time, and when you launch on day one, you're not ranking where you want to be, and maybe even a month after that, you're not ranking where you want to be. But it's worthwhile pursuing, and it's consistently one of my favorite strategies for many, many businesses because it's very highly converting because people are already searching for you. They're looking for what you're offering, and so when they find you, they're going to be potentially way better customers, and they're going to be more highly converting leads. And for that reason, I really like SEO, and also it's quite automated. So if you rank today, you might be ranking next week, next month, next year, who knows. Some content that I made that was ranked for 10 years, some YouTube videos that I made have ranked for the last 5 years. So compare that to social media. If you make a Facebook post, it stops getting activity in a day. So you see the difference, and I really like the high targeting and the automation of SEO, and so I really recommend that you get into it, especially for technically minded people. SEO is more or less technical, slightly technical, not very technical, but technical enough that as a technical person, you'll have a little bit of an advantage in it.